It's freezing outside. Blah, blah, blah. The news is blah, blah, blah. Can't believe I have a heater. Wow. So many.
Wing, wing, wing. Edie. Wing, wing.
Hello?
Edie.
Yes?
Edie. Wing, 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 wing.
Hello?
Edie, listen. I was stuck sorry. Connection's breaking up. Go to the bathroom. It's a good spot for Wi-Fi.
I'm just gonna have to go my. Oh my gosh, the better acid. Anyways, hello?
Dude, I stuck at Indian. Stuck at place. We'll come home not soon. Wait for me. I'm not gonna come home for like an hour. Maybe just wait on me, okay? I'm stuck at AD and I'm stuck at J-Boy and O's house. Also, the weather forecast said there was an evil beast that escaped from a cage.
Wow.
Anyways, I'm waking up, so goodbye.
Oh, well. Beep. What was that? There's nothing outside. Okay. I love my heater. I hope my heater doesn't break or anything. Just play pranksters outside. Get out of here! This will be froze to death by now. Get out of here! I'm just wasting hot cocoa. I shouldn't do that. Oh! Ah, they hit me. Gosh. Well, I hope my generator doesn't break. That don't just step outside at all. What? What? I'm getting cold. Oh no, that generator broke. Well, let me become actually warm. So I have to equip my.
Breaking news!
Huh?
Snow is going to 0.0.0%. The snow, how hot, it's so cold. Stay inside. Warning, stay inside. Don't go outside at all. At least about 100 coats on. You put 100 coats on and you're fine.
Gosh, 100?
But you see, also, a traveling circus was in the town, and a beast escaped from one of the cages. It was last seen around, I cannot read that, it's around this weird orange house, with 2 pools, and a weird, it's around this orange house with 2 pools.
Gosh.
And also a noob statue on top.
That, I don't know, I have no idea what's going on, but anyway, no, I can't have this, I need this. Wait, so I could, let me get this. There we go, I have pretty, okay, time to go.
Warning, if you see a beast, then call 911. What's this up? Also, the beast likes playing tricks on people. It likes playing food. Also, if anything gets broken, basically what I'm saying is, there's only one type of creature that can survive the snow, and that is a specific creature.
Well, time to go fix the generator. Gosh, I can't be out for too long. Oh, snap. Give me a sec. I'm going to get up here real quick. I need to take a peek. Oh, snap. Wait, a beast. Polar bears could survive this. There's a polar bear lurking around. Oh, let me go fix this stuff. At least I have the futuristic gun. This is what happened to the generator. I have to connect these. Dung, and dung. Oh my gosh, dung. Yes, I fixed it, but I have to break this. Shouldn't take a while. Oh snap! That's a.
What's like?
Are you? Ah! Get
Monster
the
has claws. And also, for some reason, it broke into the science lab and stole the ice ray. Also, it also has infinite snowballs. Rewarn. If you see snowballs, then warn.
I gotta break it from
It's allergic to warmth. It can never be warmed up, so don't.
Get out of here! Snap. Gosh, this is terrible out here.
Easy, get it, side, now.
Fine.
Now.
I have to get through this crap.
Get inside.
Oh my gosh. Whatever.
Breaking news. The creature was an experiment creature. The circus bought the creature for $1 million. And also it has infinite snowballs. Snowway. It's also stole Snowway. So if any.
Gosh, that's definitely a polar bear.
Also, it can't go near anything that's warm. So.
Warm.
Yeah.
Well, this has to be it. So I'm going to place. Hey, you get out of here, you creature! Right. Lee, come up here now. Okay, I'm just going to place a few things. But real quick, let me check in here. What? Gosh. Oh, it kind of stirred this place. Oh, yeah, get out of here! Well, perfect time to light this. Oh, look at all these blankets. Those aren't blankets. Those aren't oil barrels. He tricked it. Hey, take this steaming hot. It's steaming hot. Do that like how you like it. Ha. Oh. Calling Boom Kid.
What do you want, ED?
What do I do?
What do you mean you do? You just stay inside and warm up your fireplace.
Gosh.
About what? What do you mean by about what? Is there like a specific thing that's bothering you or what?
There's nothing. Get out of here, you polar bear.
Polar bear?
Hmm?
What do you mean by polar bear? ED, tell me.
There's a monster outside. It's like a polar bear that wears clothes. Stop throwing your snowballs! Oh, I'm freezing.
ED, that thing's a hat. That's not polar bear, ED. That's a mutated creature, ED. That broke out from the science lab and broke out of a circus.
Oh, it's that thing. Well, don't worry. I'll handle it. I'll definitely be cautious. Hey, you!
Like Cat5 inside. It's less than warm.
Okay, campfire.
ED, that better not be my house, I hear. The house not getting the bed, the house not, might not. Is the house being frozen by that monster with freeze waves?
No, it's not being frozen. Okay, here. I'll place a few fires. Which then he can. Hey, you! Take these fires! Take this!
Don't get too close to it!
Get out of here! This is my house. Alright, don't wait, get on my bye. Beep.
ED, don't go outside. Also, ED, there's cameras, so you can check up on it. Also, I can see the cameras. Oh, ED, it's freezing the generator again.
Gosh, I have to fix it again. Well.
ED, it's hiding one of the pods of the generator.
Right.
Hiding the pods of the generator.
I really need that generator. I'm already getting cold. Let's have these fireplaces to warm up. These do nothing. Well, I guess I gotta go out. Hey, you said... I got flares now. Is that better? Hey, you! Okay, well, oh, gosh!
Walk around, just look for the pods.
Look for the parts. Okay, this is... Look. No. Hey!
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Get out of here! Ow! Ah! Oh my gosh.
Well,
Parts.
there's more
Oh,
other ice monsters out here. There's other ice monsters out here.
gosh, I found one part. This is cold. You! You burned! You'll be. Okay, dude. Oh, parts. Oh, there's no parts here. I swear it's a polar bear. I don't think it's a mysterious.
What
Found
does
it.
it have? What features does it have?
It has ram horns. Stay out of here! Ow! Did it? Ah! Okay.
Edie, you gotta go in the pool.
What? Hey, stop.
Also, Edie, our statue closed. What's the statue of the new?
Our statue. I'll be right back. Okay. You get out of here! Not the statue. That's the one thing I actually like. Ow! Ow! Okay. I made it back into the house. Generator's back up and working. So what do I do now? Just wait.
Yeah. Let's go here. Go inside. Hey, did you get that glass replaced?
No, I have one glass. Stop staring at me like that. What are you doing? Yeah. Try again. Ah! He made it in!
Oh dang, Edie, I'm breaking outside!
No, not him!
Edie, remember, he can't have any warmth on his body. Hurry, use that!
You. Get out of here! Go! Stay in there. He broke the glass completely.
Hurry! Oh dang, our bedroom! He's going to our bedroom!
I'll fight you with a burning hot. Get out of here. Okay, I'll be back.
Edie's going to he's going into another form.
Oh snap, okay. Boomkin? I made
it
it
outside. Edie, you gotta get back inside right now. Well, actually, you probably don't, but you freeze to death.
Oh, I have this. I have like a fire sword. Fire sword!
Ah! Oh dang, he has ice gloves!
Ice! Stay away! Stay away! You stay!
There's a floating glass panel!
Buddy, guess what? Okay, he's made it in, but he ain't gonna do any harm. No! I need him. Hey, buddy, guess what? You can turn us into cold, completely cold. Go get it! Ah! Go get it!
Oh dang, he's gonna freeze toilets! Freeze in the toilet! Yeah, look at that poop!
You go, buddy. Listen, bud. Stay. Stop! Get out of here! Okay, Boom Kid, I got him to leave. Am I okay now?
He stole two of the candy cane decorations I had out.
Ah! Why? Why'd you have them out?
I'm too lazy. It was like it's Christmas time.
Ow! Well, here, bud. Taste this heat of the heaters.
Look what it's doing.
Not the heater. Okay, Boom Kid, it's freezing anywhere. What do I do? I'm Oh! The generator! It's gone.
Lord, there's something hot. Stop.
Ow! Okay. I'm gonna set something up. Can you distract him or something? Like, say something.
I'm on the phone. I can distract him.
Look, it's a phone. Talk to him. Ow. Most hardest thing I could think of. I'm a boom kid. No, he's freezing the items. No, you don't, buddy. You're not the freezer of time. I am.
No, dude, he's doing his ultimate attack. Go
Gosh.
get him there.
Oh my gosh. So many rounds. So you stay back.
Oh no, dude. You gotta make sure doesn't go to stage 3.
I'm not gonna let him. Don't you dare go in the acid.
Oh no, it's the acid. So make sure it doesn't fall in there. Try to get it out. Oh dang, I touched it. Oh dang, you touched it. Including that web touched it. That has crazy side effects that nobody knows. Oh yes. Oh dang. Okay, now it's everywhere.
Oh snap! Get out of here!
Don't get into the acid! The acid makes you powerful!
Yes!
Oh! Stay into the acid!
I'll burn her! Ah! Okay, I put something on to keep my face warm.
Oh god, we're after him! We're not willing to him.
Yes! Oh, stop. Nope. He should have kept his cage.
I leveled up!
How you do? Oh! I told you he's a teddy bear.
Game. Now he's a bear.
Guess what, bud? Instead of acid, guess what that it really is? It's fire!